Shalom family, here for another update. Just wanted to show you a quick way to thin down your plants. As you see, because my green seeds are so little, it's really hard to just put one in there. So in some of my pods, I have multiple plants growing, and they're at the height that I can start to thin them down. You don't want to thin them down until at least they're about close to 2 inches tall. So as you see, my sprouts are, and you see the multiple greens growing in one place. Well, if you keep it like that, the roots are going to start to compete, and either one or two things are going to happen. You're going to have a bunch of little small plants that can't thrive, or they're going to continue to compete with each other, and eventually they'll strangle each other and die off. So to conserve the energy to one plant, you want to thin them down. So what I normally do when they're this size, I take my scissors. These are my trusty little scissors here. And yeah, I usually take these. And I usually try to go to as close to the soil, and I thin it down. Like in this pot, there's 4 plants growing. So I'm going to look to see which stem seems to be the thickest and the strongest. So I'm going to actually cut to the top, and I cut the one I want, and there you go. I took it down to 1 plant in there. And so you just repeat. Some of the pots only have 1 in there, so you'll leave it. But the other ones that have multiple ones growing, and you can always either put these in your salad because they are edible at this stage, or you can compost it, which I normally compost it at this point. But that's my quick tip on how to thin your plants without disturbing the roots and everything. Here's another one I'm going to take down. I think I'm going to leave the one in the center. And okay, that one want to conjugate together. And then I do it here. So there we go, 1 plant. So you'll just keep getting that done, and you want to watch your sprouts and everything and make sure they're staying vital and everything. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. And don't forget to check out my website at countrylivinginthe.city.com for your latest urban garden needs. Well, I'll talk to you later, family.